Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. So I just want to follow up the statement that Mr. Muller made here that we have an EPP funding mission in Albania, and that funding mission, they came up with some very concerning issues about the situation in Albania, which I think presents the reality of the state play of Albanian politics and Albanian institutions. We are presenting this resolution not as another political document, but we want everybody to understand the importance of Albanian path to EU membership should be on merit-based value assessment as well. As an organization, we have to defend the values of the IEU. As Mr. Berisha mentioned, Albania stands on the crossroads. According to his nation assessment, it's not any longer a functioning democracy, but an electoral autocracy. Corruption is no longer isolated. It's systemic. The collusion between organized crime and government structures is evident, imposing, the elections, intimidating the voters. Organized crime also has a strong say who are going to be the members of parliament, who are members of parliament. Money laundering, the economy is becoming, well connected. So, at the same time, the European integration, which should be a path to reform and transformation, in some ways turned to a kind of political game of round. That's why we are presenting this resolution, and we want the IEU organization to look closely what's going on in Albania, and we'll appreciate, the adoption of this resolution and maybe smoothing some words or just change a little bit of wording in two parts of the, our resolution. Instead of saying to the first paragraph, to the European integration paragraph, the first line there is, instead of scope, put it like delayed, and also in the third part, blocking, we can say delaying European integration.